the improvements that they've made, the updates, ooh, literally is amongst the best, if not the best, I feel like, considering we have access to a lifetime deal with my affiliate link down below. But hold on. Let's get into what it can do, okay? Because like I said, this is one of those things where people, I think, are underestimating the ability for you to put this thing to use in your everyday life or business, right? It doesn't have to just be about taking notes for going to the grocery store and whatnot. It might be some business related use cases. But really quickly, and they haven't updated this section, so this does not show all of their current features. The newest update, what makes this, what makes me say you need to get on this now, especially while you have access to a lifetime deal with my affiliate link down below. Well, you can now record up to 90 minutes in a session. 90 minutes. That's a coaching session. That's a consultation. That is a meeting with your team. And, oh yes, speaking of, as I say that, well, you now have the ability to do multiple speakers. Now, I don't think it can do more than 2. I think it's only 2. Maybe it can do more than 2, but I think it's 2 speakers now. So again, if you're on a call or in a meeting, it's going to work for you, and you can document and capture those, key points and everything in between. So huge, right?